Hello, my beautiful friends. Cat Claus in here. I'm in Costa Rica, in the yard of the villa, which we rented, and this beautiful bird came walking out as I was going about the grounds. And I just couldn't wait to share it with you. So lovely. Look at that, scratching the head. Earlier in the pool, an iguana had fallen in, and I used the pool sweeper to actually lift him out and rescue him. He was stuck at the deep end. This has been a wonderful encounter with wildlife today. I love you, friend. Take care. And remember, it's always love.